Wow, she is so big. Where did you get her?
Kinda give it to me.
Really?
Yeah, from Easter Bunny.
From the Easter Bunny?
Then I got a little baby at home.
And you have a baby at home too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh goodness.
Oh,
Do
poor
you play
Tangle.
with her a lot?
Yeah.
Yes. Does she do any tricks?
I play with her all the time when I go to bed.
You do?
I go to bed with her. I sleep with the toy. Then I sleep with two. I sleep with my baby. I sleep with Rapunzel. I sleep with both. When I wake up, I play with it all the time. And when I eat, I go to the bed.